Every day I try to get at least 2 cups of greens in my diet. Why? Well, one of the reasons is because greens contain folic acid. And folic acid is involved in this chemical process called methylation, which is when 3 hydrogen atoms and a carbon atom are added to a molecule. Now, every cell, every day, needs to methylate. It helps to prevent cancer, it's involved with cell division, it affects the mood, and it prevents spina bifida, which is a birth defect. That's why folic acid is so important for pregnant women. But it's important for us too. So here are the 3 ways that I like to get my greens. First, I like to try to make one of my meals a big green salad. When I make it at home at night, I might add some corn or a bit of red onion and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese with some vinaigrette. Then in the mornings, sometimes I add spinach to my smoothie with kefir, maybe some protein powder and a little flax. And if you're not loving the bitter taste of the greens, you can add some almond butter and some of a banana. It's really good when the banana is frozen, and it's so delicious you don't taste the greens. And then at dinner, if I don't feel like making a salad, I might saute some spinach. I just chop up some garlic and put in a little olive oil. And then to sweeten it, again, to get rid of that bitterness if you're not used to it, I add some balsamic vinegar. And it is really, really delicious and so easy. So listen, get your kids very comfortable and familiar with eating greens from a young age. And even as an adult, you can learn to love greens. Just try to get them in every day. That's smart eating.